Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix J5Create docking station not working, power, display, USB and connection troubleshooting. Fixing a J5Create docking station usually involves a hard power cycle and updating your drivers. First, unplug the dock from both your laptop and power outlet. Then wait for 30 seconds and reconnect. Next, ensure you use the original USB-C cable and plug it into the dock's upstream port, which is often marked with a laptop icon. For a comprehensive approach to getting all your peripherals and displays working, follow these troubleshooting steps. Fix 1. Fix display and monitor issues. Not all USB-C ports support video output, so ensure your laptop's port supports DisplayPort, ALT mode, or Thunderbolt. As many J5 Create multi-display docks like the JCD543 rely on USB-based graphics software rather than your laptop's native GPU. So download and install the latest drivers directly from the J5 Create drivers page. Now on Windows, navigate to Settings, in it go to System, find Display and click Detect. Now ensure multiple displays are enabled in it. Fix 2. Troubleshoot power and USB connectivity. While some smaller hubs work via bus power, drawing from the laptop, most full-size docking stations require the dedicated AC power adapter plugged directly into a wall outlet. Windows sometimes turn off USB hubs to conserve power, so open Device Manager and locate your USB controllers. Then right-click to open Properties and it go to Power Management tab. From there, uncheck the box that says Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Now look for yellow warning triangles under Universal Serial Bus Controllers or Display Adapter. And if you found it, right-click and select Update Driver there. Fix 3. Resolve audio issues. Windows frequently changes your default audio output to the docking station when it detects an audio jack. So open Control Panel and it go to Hardware and Sound, then tap on Sound. And right-click your laptop's built-in speakers and select Set as Default Device. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.